in IITM.
यहाँ पर बारिश होने लग रही है आईआईटी मद्रास में, और अभी हम कैंपस घूम रहे हैं। अभी टीचर और स्टूडेंट इंटरेक्शन हुआ है। इस कामाकोटी सर आए थे जिनको पद्मश्री अवार्ड मिल चुका है, और हमारा उनसे बात हुआ। मतलब हमने सवाल नहीं किया, बट स्टिल हमारा जो भी सवाल था बच्चों ने वो कर लिया था। तब तक हम आ गए। अभी बाहर 2 घंटे तक चला है इंटरेक्शन सेशन, 2 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा चला है। और ये सेशन कहा था CLT पे, हाँ CLT पे था,
कल्चरल
लेक्चर हॉल,
थिएटर.
हाँ थिएटर वही। ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजिक्स है। ये OAT है जहाँ पर डीजे नाइट कंडक्ट हुई थी। मतलब OAT का फुल फॉर्म क्या है?
ओपन एयर थिएटर.
हाँ ओपन एयर थिएटर, ठीक है। और ये रामानुजन ब्लॉग दिखा रहा है इधर।
And
हमने
this
कुछ
way
फोटोज़
is
भी क्लिक
Department of
की है, पता है
Physics.
आज। और ये देखो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री।
And that
और
one
ये
is the
भाई आपको
Department
कुछ
of
बोलना
Chemistry.
चाहेंगे?
That one is the Department of Physics.
हाँ तो वी आर
On the
गोइंग
just right of.
to the hostel, and after that we'll take some rest, and after that we'll go to have a lunch, and let's see what's our plan. We are planning to attend some workshop as well, but we'll see what will happen because we don't know what we have to do. And still तो यहाँ पर चला जा रहा है। बाकी सारे बच्चे आ चुके हैं, काफ़ी कम बच्चे थे बिकॉज सबको भगा दिया था क्योंकि वर्कशॉप में लेक्चर हॉल में मतलब लिमिटेड सीट थी। इसी के साथ कैंपस देखो, बर्ड्स, बरसात मतलब काफ़ी कम है बट स्टिल है थोड़ी बहुत। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया राइट। We can't see any deer in
We can't
on
see
the
any deer in
on road.
right now just because of rain maybe.
We can say. So top tier students of those who clear JEE advance, they come here, the computer science department of engineering.
But I think this way is the Department of Chemistry as well.
No, chemistry department
But
is back.
look at the board.
Oh yeah, we can
The
say.
board is showing this way is for Department of
So
Chemistry.
you can't spitting is prohibited, so you can't just spit here because you will get a fine of 500 rupees.
Perhaps.
And everything looks very perfect, right? This machine is, I don't know what it is for, but it is still.
And now we are going to the hostel zone.
We are going to the hostel zone. Now like, what is this, man? This is a sport.
Let's say what is this? This is the sports complex.
Okay, sports complex, right? Everything looks
This is the sports
perfect.
complex of IIT Madras.
You can see this. This is the bus. I don't know where it is coming from, but this is a burst of IIT Madras because we have to travel so long by foot. So there are free buses.
Free buses to all the students. And finally we reached to the hostel zone.
This is the hostel zone, and we can see
On
the
the way
Kaveri
of
hostel is
hostels.
in front of us, as well as it is a great experience, we can say. There are no vehicles allowed, but still I don't know how they are coming inside.
Maybe this way is for girls.
This is
hostel.
also some but I don't know. I heard from someone who told us that Zaitun is the worst kind of restaurant, or
In the entire IIT Madras.
yes, but we haven't experienced it because we never gone there or visit there, so we can't say anything about this. We will not comment. This is the Kaveri hostel. You can see.
Yeah, this is the Kaveri hostel where I played cricket.
This bro played cricket. And Garada House. If you don't know Garada House, it is in German, like straight ahead kind of thing. But still, we are trying to speak English because English is not my primary language. But still, trying my best. I don't know building is this, but it is cool. The nature here is very beautiful, right? IIT Madras Bank, ICICI.
ICICI Bank.
We can see everything here. Brahmaputra Tapti, the hostel. We can't go there, but you can expect how it will look. I don't know. A place for new ideas to mushroom. बारिश कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गई शायद. This is also one of the bus stop here.
We had rain in IIT Madras campus, and our professor said that this is the best season of IIT
Romantic
Madras.
season.
This is the romantic season exactly.
And the Kamakoti sir told, that's why we are believing it, because he is the godfather of this college. You can see the deer, can't you? It is eating something, I don't know what it is. People are going with the cycle, taking cycles. This is a guest, for guest I guess. I don't know for what. Yes. So we have reached the Narmada hostel. Here you can see the Narmada hostel, but we are not going there. And that's, I will show you a crazy part, because every hostel are located in this surrounding area, and in between them the main eating zone we can say, or hostel mess we can say, the Himalaya is located. Himalaya mess. It is huge and it looks beautiful as well. The video is recording in 4K, right?
Yeah.
This is the mess where all people, mostly 70% people eat here, and there are also 2-3 messes there, but I don't know them as well. Much about them. Still, we are going to.
Where the world fell down, just because of the rain.
Yeah, we can say.
Finally, we are going to reach.
So we are going to our hostel, which is Saraswati. You can see Alaknanda, as well as what are the hostels there. On this road, you can see. Can you tell the hostel names which are located on that road?
Yeah, on that road we have
Pampa, Ganga,
Alaknanda, Jamuna.
yes, Narmada.
Narmada was still.
Yes. Sorry for that. Yeah.
Yeah, so in this way, Alaknanda hostel, Ganga
There are
hostel,
very
Jamuna
much
hostel.
Pampa, Saraswati,
Yeah, and
very
we also-
Tapti,
on that road we
Godavari.
also have-
There are lot of them. I can say there are around 17-18 hostels are there,
Mandakini.
which are huge as well. And we are going to our hostel near about 500 meters, I can say, from Himalaya.
Yes, and the name of that hostel is
Saraswati. It is not great, but it is decent. Not bad as well. I don't know what is this, but it looks cool.
Maybe this is the food zone of Jatun.
Yeah, I can also say that.
Exactly, where food can prepare, then serve us.
Yes, you can get a laundry bus here. Everything new on IIT Madras campus. डे 0 था, डे 1 गया, डे 2 था, आज डे 3 है। तो हम 3-4 दिनों से मस्त इन्जॉय करने लग रहे हैं। आज शाम को हमारा प्लान है कि एक वर्कशॉप अटेंड करना है, उसके साथ साथ हमें यहाँ पर जाना है किधर, ठीक है। आज रात को बीच पे जाना है। हमारा मेन गेट यहाँ से है, सरस्वती हॉस्टल ये वाला है। ये वाला हॉस्टल कौन सा आई डोंट नो, बट स्टिल ओके। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ बाइसिकल्स हियर बट नो बाइसिकल बिलोंग टू अस।
Finally, we have reached to our hostel, Saraswati.
Yes, we are here, guys. And this is what you're
You can
waiting
see
for.
the entrance.
So you can see the entrance as well. You can shoot as well here.
We have security guard.
Uncle. This is how it looks. There are a lot of already houses are located. You can go from this side, then you will go from that. Okay. This is something which is not cool because there are a lot of dust here.
So we are in the middle of the hostel.
Yes, this is the middle of the
Volleyball
hostel.
court.
This is the volleyball court.
Where we can play volleyball, but we don't have volleyball right now.
And we don't have player as well. We are just two guys roaming here and there. We have a lot of friends, but they are also having a lot of friends as well. So no one has time. That is my room.
Look at the condition of our hostel.
That is my room, and the bro's room is this.
The room number 306.
My 154. So let's see you in another vlog.